Hey folks, okay, I've had several of you ask me how I get so much slide out of these radios, because the 142, the Washington, even the Grant, the Grant and the Madison won't slide as much as a 2000 or 148, and it's a simple trick really. If you look right down in there, you'll see where CT3 used to be. That's it, folks. You remove CT3. CT3 limits the slide. Okay? So you want to remove him. Now, you may have to fiddle with the variactor. Change them up. Use different ones. This particular one has a MV1404, or you can use a KKV 1402, 03, or 04. Either one of those three will do. Now I added a choke on the anode end of this one to bring the frequency down a little bit and give it a little more slide. This is only a 2.2 microhenry choke. The more inductance you add to the back of the diode, the lower the frequency and the more the slide. Okay, but you can reach a saturation point to where the circuit will stop oscillating, so you don't want that. Now this crystal here is an original Uniden crystal. It's at 11.3258. I needed that crystal to do the high band and work with the LC5304. Another trick, if you're doing channel expansion using something like the LC5304, 6404, etc., you want to interrupt the circuit for R71. Now all I do is just lift the lead. Okay, I think you can see that there. But right there is where R71 is. You just want to lift that lead and R71 comes out of the board. Now, the same procedure that I use for the Cobra 148 to change the finals to MOSFETs will work for the 142 and the Cobra 140. I don't recommend it if your bipolar transistors are in good condition. I would not change to MOSFET. In fact, replacements for the 2166 and the 1969 are readily available now from companies like EKL, and they work really well. Okay, in fact, the 2166 actually performs a little better than the original 2166. So I recommend you don't switch to MOSFET unless you just absolutely have to. Okay, those old bipolar transistors have been around for many years, and they will continue to be around. All right, and for the 10 turn, use a high grade 10 turn, and the ones I use are 20k ohm. Okay, the extra resistance will give you a little more slide as well. Okay folks, thanks a lot. 7-3.